Start with a magic circle and chain 2. This chain 2, it won't be counted as a stitch, and for the whole pattern the starting chain 2, it won't be counted as a stitch. Now make 12 double crochets in this magic circle. Once you're done, pull up this loop to close the gap and slip stitch on top of this first double crochet. Next on, chain 2, 1 double crochet the same stitch, chain 1 and 1 more double crochet in the same stitch. This is the first corner and this is the stitch where you will be making the increase in the next round. Mark the stitch with the stitch marker. 2 double crochets each in the next 3 stitches. In the next stitch, make 1 double crochet, chain 1 and 1 more double crochet in the same stitch. This is the second corner. Mark the stitch. 2 double crochets each in the next 3 stitches. And in the next stitch, 1 double crochet, chain 1 and 1 double crochet. This is the third corner. Mark the stitch. 2 double crochets each in the remaining stitches, that's 3 stitches. Once you reach the end, slip stitch on top of this first double crochet. Next on, start with chain 2, 1 double crochet in the same stitch, and now in the smart stitch, make 2 double crochets, chain 1 and 2 more double crochets in the same stitch. This is the new corner. 1 double crochet each in next stitches until you reach the next corner. Don't miss out this stitch, the first one. To reach the next corner, repeat the same as the first corner. 2 double crochets, chain 1 and 2 more double crochets in the same space. Now repeat the same for the next corner too. Two double crochets, chain 1, 2 double crochets. One double crochet each in the remaining stitches and slip stitch on top of this first double crochet. Now keep repeating this round until you reach the size which you need. I'll show you one more round. Start every round with chain 2, that won't be counted as a stitch. Start the next stitch in the same stitch and 1 double crochet in each stitch until you reach the corner stitch. In the corner, 2 double crochets, chain 1 and 2 more double crochets in the same stitch. One double crochet in each stitch until the next corner. 2 double crochets, chain 1, 2 double crochets, Now repeat the same for the other corner, and once you reach them, slip stitch on top of this first double crochet. This is how it will look. I hope you like this video. Please do subscribe to my channel. Thank you for watching.